to soybeans. Finished up the 80-foot silo yesterday morning, so it's all set up, ready to go. Currently feeding out of it. Silage this year went pretty good for the most part. No major breakdowns or anything, but I tell you, having labor around to do barn chores so Dad and I could get the silage done, that's a different story. I tell you, right now, probably the worst subject you want to bring up with me is the labor force of this country, because I tell you, you might not like what you hear. So I am fed up. But regardless, it's done. We're off to soybeans. I'm in one of my favorite places, the combine. So we're gonna get some beans knocked out. Hopefully be a good day. So we'll catch up with you after bed. Got two loaded up there on the east end of this field here. I'm a little better than halfway. I'll keep plugging along here and try and get this done. Head on down to the north farm after this. Dad's done with chores now in the barnyard, so he's out here planting wheat. So hopefully we can get a couple acres of wheat in today too. I'm gonna keep after it here and try and get this field knocked down. Let go. Well, you may wonder why the sun is still that high in the sky and I'm fueling up not at the right farm. Well, that would be because I ran out of fuel. Yep. Not a proud moment. Listen, I don't want to hear it, all right? Anybody else, that was me, had to do all the crap I got to do every single day. Some things may slip your mind every now and then. And just so happens today, what slipped my mind is that I didn't fuel the combine up before I put it away last night. So this is a hill, you know, as I've said before. You know what happens when you crest a hill and your fuel tank is in the back? All your fuel runs to the back. Means you have no fuel. Then you gotta get a 5-gallon can, put diesel in, crack lines. Good time. Don't recommend it. Don't do it. Be smarter than me. I guess I wouldn't necessarily say be smarter than me. I guess I would say don't be as overworked as I am. Then shit like this wouldn't happen. Alright, enough admitting I'm stupid. I'm fueling. I'm going back to work. See you in a minute. Well, grain cart's full. Sun's starting to go down. All my wagons are full. I think I'm gonna combine enough to fill this combine. I have nothing else to dump it into, so I guess I'll just leave it in the combine and take this thing home and put it away. And I guess first thing in the morning we'll empty all this stuff out. Granted, if it doesn't rain. Looks like I think we have at least probably half of tomorrow without rain, and then it's gonna rain. So hopefully I can at least get everything unloaded and maybe get a little bit more beans cut. I don't know, we'll see. But me and my little helper here, I'm gonna finish out a little bit, and then we're gonna head home, get some dinner, go to bed, and do it all over again tomorrow. So, catch up with you guys probably in the morning. See you later. Well, it's a falling day. We're back down here at the North Farm. So this morning we did chores and all that in the barnyard, and then I unloaded all the beans pretty well that I had combined yesterday, aside from what was sitting in this machine in the hopper. Dad planted about 3 or 4 strips of wheat down here. I'm gonna go ahead and unload the rest of these beans here, get back on it and try and get this hill knocked out. Dad will probably try to get most of this here planted on this farm today. Been kind of a busy day so far. So, nothing new. We'll keep at it. Try and get some more done today. But, I guess I'll throw you guys up on time lapse and try and knock out some acres here. Well, I had a little bit of equipment moving to do. I took the combine down to the main farm, fueled it, put it away. Grabbed a ride from Mom because she was coming back from doing evening chores there at the farm, and had her give me a ride up to grab the grain cart, put the grain cart in the shed here at the North Farm. Then went back down to the main dairy, grabbed Dad's truck, took it up to the house for him because he drove this tractor and seed tender down here earlier today, so he needs his truck for first thing in the morning for chores. And then snagged a ride back up top of the hill again, grabbed the seed tender, brought it here. Now I'm just waiting on Dad. He's a couple rounds from being done up there, and once he's done, he's gonna swing in here. We'll fill the planter up with seed and then fuel it, put it away, and I guess that'll probably be about it for the day. There's some rain moving in. I've got everything full. Can't really do much. I'm not gonna go set up to unload because according to the weather, I got about an hour. So, I mean, it kinda looks like it's gonna go around, but no, my luck, I'll switch everything and then get drowned. It's usually how it goes. So, anyways, gonna wait on Dad, finish up the day, and call it a day. So, see you in a minute.